Yeah, let's continue. As part of AWS RDS, we are learning SQL for AWS data engineering. In that, let's continue DCL language. DCL stands for data control language. Control language having two commands. One is grant, and other one is revoke command. Grant and revoke. So using grant command, we can give a privileges to the users, and using revoke, we can cancel privileges to the users. Okay. In this session, we are going to see creating users, then assigning permissions on tables, database, and other database objects. Okay, using grant, we can give a privileges. Using revoke, we can cancel existing. Okay, let's start first creating users. So I am creating 3 users. So I am creating user. Username is Sreenivas in localhost and password is Sreenivas. Similar way, I am creating user Badri. Password is Badri. I am creating user Swati and password is Swati. Let me create a user. Let me create another user. Let's create third user. Okay. I created 3 users team, and then I am trying to give grants on my database tables. So syntax is grant privilege on database dot table to particular user. So let me give grants to user. So I am giving grant on raw DB to all tables to Badri user. So I am giving grant all privileges on raw underscore DB dot star. Star means here raw underscore DB, we have tables, we have views, we have stored procedures and functions. So we are giving all objects in this database. Star means all. So whatever there in raw underscore DB, we are giving all privileges on that database to user Badri. Next one, I am giving only employee table access permission to Sreenivas user. In raw underscore DB, I am giving only employee table privilege to Sreenivas user. Similar way, for other user, Swati user also I am giving only access to employee table. Using grant, we are giving access to the users. Next one, I want to revoke these privileges. Grant privileges. Next, revoke privileges. So to cancel privileges, we can use revoke command. Revoke privileges on database dot database object from user and from host. So I am canceling insert update on employee table to Sreenivas user. So if you see here, we give for Sreenivas user on table, we give all privileges. All privileges means insert, update, delete, read permission, and employees table. And we cancelled insert update on this table. So from all permissions, we cancelled insert and update on employees table to Sreenivas user. So Sreenivas user can read, can delete, but he cannot perform insert update on employee table. Similar way, next I am doing revoke operation on uh, revoke all privileges from Sreenivas user. So I am removing all privileges on employee table from Sreenivas user. So again, I am revoking all privileges on entire database objects, raw_db objects. First of all, there are no privileges on entire database objects. Sreenivas user having only employee table privileges. That's why if you see here, we are getting error. There is no such grant defined for Sreenivas user. So I want to know what are grants assigned for users. We can use show grants for user @host name. So this command shows what are grants presented for user. Let's fetch other users grants team. Yeah, you can see. Let's check other user grants. Yeah, if you see Badri user, see when you create a user account, it is granted usage on all database, everything in this RDS MySQL database, and after that we granted uh, raw_db dot star. We give uh, all objects inside raw_db database. So two grants assigned to Badri user. Let me check to another user. So grants for Swati user. For Swati user, while creating user account, it is granted usage on complete this MySQL database. And next one, we given select, insert, update on raw_db with the table. Which table? EMP table. Okay. So using grant command, we can give a privilege. Using revoke command, we can cancel privileges for users.